wonderful cook. We're here with the Cook Along series, and this is a great recipe for Christmas time because as we're producing this, it's only 3 weeks until Christmas, and it's a salad. For Christmas in the Northern Hemisphere, not so good to have a salad, but here in Australia, we always need to have a salad, and it's making use of mango, and mango is fantastic for the building the immune system and also digestion, and it's got plenty of polyphenols, so it's great for preventing cancer, or if you have cancer, eating mangoes is fabulous. And this salad was brought to you by a girl called Rebecca. When I was 19, I worked in disability services, and I was living in Sydney, and there was this gorgeous girl called Rebecca who brought this salad along to a shared Christmas lunch that we were having, and I'd never had mango in a salad before. Growing up in Darwin, I ate plenty of them, but I'd never had mango. Anyway, she made this salad, and I've just adapted it a little bit. And yeah, she was very exotic. After eating the salad, she proceeded to tell me that she loved, one of the things she loved to do is make love in her house where there was a tin roof, and when it was raining, it was very romantic. That was something that I thought could be a life goal, but I'm not telling you whether I've attained it. But I've had mango plenty of times in my salad, and I'm actually going to add some cucumber. So I'm adding some cucumber to it. And I should tell you how I cut the mango. Most people know, I just grab the mango. Here I am. They know to cut the cheeks off, and then I just peel the skin off, and then just cut it. And then I've got this to munch on later. Yum. Okay. And so I'm just going to put some cucumber in, and very simple salad but delicious. And the lettuce is from my garden, and so is the cucumber. And then I've got some sunflower, they're pea shoots, so I'll just pop those on and put on some toasted seeds. So just in a dry pan, I toasted up some pepitas and sesame seeds. They're a little darker than I normally do them, but they will be delicious. And the book says, well, I say in the book, to serve it with juice of an orange and some macadamia oil and salt and pepper. Yum. But today I'm just going to have lime and olive oil, salt and pepper, which I love even more. Here's the yummy salad. You could also make a mayonnaise dressing for it as well. That would be super lush. Bon appetit. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.